Straight line backing exercise. The objective here is for the driver to back through a lane that's 100 feet long, 12 feet wide, without touching the boundaries on either side. The driver starts outside of the lane and completes the exercise once they have covered the 100 feet and the front of the vehicle is outside of the lane. A driver may stop to correct if either they are outside of the boundaries or they just need to reposition their vehicle. At this point, the driver continues again until the front of their vehicle is outside the lane in the back. Once the driver has completed the exercise, they are to honk their horn and set the brake.